Welcome to topic 4 of module 1. So, I don't want to bore you with more theoretical details of machine learning, pattern recognition, anomaly detection, and I want to quickly go to the code as well on the spam detection. So, in this topic, we will see that what is the data set that we are using in the spam fighting email use case. The spam fighting email data set is actually a public spam corpus that was created in 2007. A corpus is actually a set of documents. So, in this case, it's a lightly cleaned raw email messages that are included in the corpus called TREC. The TREC word comes from Text Retrieval Conference Spam Track in 2007, and the goal was to build a sophisticated spam classification system using machine learning. This dataset contained more than 75,000 email messages, and one third of the dataset is made of spam example, and the rest is ham, that is clear. Uh, in most cases, we have splitted our data set into three into this composition. So we have 70% of the data as a training set, and we have 30% of the data as the test set. And for the evaluation of different approaches, we have, for example, the blacklist technique, we have the LSH technique, and then in the end, we have a multinomial knife based technique to improve the accuracy of our results. We have implemented, as I said earlier, so in the blacklist technique, I'll be describing in more detail in the next slides, where we have a set of words that are in the stopping words list, and then we look for those words in the testing data set. We have the local sensitive hash, which is to create a more approximate uh, signatures for the email messages, and then we have the popular knife based classifier which is used to classify the spam and the ham emails. Thank you very much for this topic, and I see you in the next topic for module 1. Thank you.